we getting shot.
There we go. Oh. Almost dropped it. Butter. Here we go.
We did. That's crazy.
I don't know what they're talking about behind me. Okay, foodies, email me at ChocolateSugi@gmail.com. This may just have to be on our only Foodies membership because they are swearing up a storm. Let me know, can you guys hear what they're saying? Hey, let's get 1,000 gifts in the chat. Our goal is to get 1,000 gifts. No. We have to unlock the door. What's your waffle topping? Then we're gonna do cinnamon sugar. We have peanut butter. Cold chocolate chip. I'm obsessed with cinnamon sugar. Hey guys, let's get our gifts up. Our goal is to get 1,000 gifts this morning. Good morning. What is it? This is a waffle with cinnamon sugar. A big, fluffy, yet crispy waffle. Drenched in butter.
No, because it be silks. Ask the super close like. No, like, how do you make food? How do you survive? The game shows you that before you get actually involved in it.
Oh, they want somebody baby them.
This tastes really good. I'd like to say this tastes as good as it looks. Yeah, this tastes as good as it looks. It does look like it needs apple crisp, like literal apples in it. Yeah. Oh. I have to grab my coffee. Oh my goodness. He's splashing the... No, I'm not working for 24 hours. This is a 12-hour shift.
Oh, you like bleach. Yours.
I'm actually allergic,
That's good.
but I still use it. As long as I don't use too much, I'm good.
But you know, true, you gotta use some kind of fruit.
I know.
That's the only chemical I would. I don't want to say trust, but that's the only chemical I would use fruit.
Well, I found out I was allergic to sea scallops by eating them for the first time.
Very good what?
Sea scallops?
Oh my God.
Yep. I cooked up a whole bag for me and my daughter, and we ate that shit. Like,
Oh my goodness, sea scallops?
yeah, they're so fucking good. But the next morning, my
Okay,
eyes was closed
this is
and my
definitely
face
gonna
was
be on
swollen.
Foodies only.
You know what it is? You find that real food for the first time. You find it out of the process.
No.
You know what it is.
I don't know what it is.
I love you guys for watching. Email me at chocolatesugi@gmail.com and cash up $ChocolateSugi.
It's not right.